Hello and welcome to Pearlie's Design Shop. It's a very gray day here. I have all the lights on. I hope that doesn't cause too many shadows. I've made another journal, put it in my Etsy shop, and I was just going to do a flip through of it. Look at that beautiful image on the front. That's from Art House Whimsy. There's some dyed cheesecloth behind it. Fabric spine, 3 signatures, and another gorgeous image on the back. Hopefully you can see that without too many shadows. Lots of grunginess. And inside there's a pocket inside the front cover. I've just put a little tag in there. And this is another tuck spot belly band. Some nice red stitching. Little Tim Holtz clip here with the journaling card. I thought that matched this dyed paper quite nicely. It's always different depending on which side you apply the ink to and which side you lay down when it's drying. It's all very interesting. Some collage and stitching, book page, some scrap fabric I've been trying to use up with some hand stitching there. This paper is actually file folder, so it's got lots of oomph to it. I've just dyed it with some inks. Another fabric collage with some machine stitching. Book page. This is just vintage paper out of a book. A piece of dyed fabric. It's just pinned on there, so that can be removed and used elsewhere. This is just a little flip up. It's attached to the page, so there's no pocket there. Some stitching over some dyed fabric softener sheet. Gives it a pretty cool effect. And another pocket there with a hand-dyed tag. Book page, little pocket here, and this is just some scrap paper and fabric I've tucked in there. Some old scrapbooking paper that I think I coffee stained that. Another collage. And a stitched piece of dyed fabric for a tab, and it's just got a rusty pin on there. Another beautiful image. Another pocket with a hand-dyed tag. I think that's one of the ones that I showed how I did that on an Instagram reel recently. And that's one of the tags. More collage here, and that's the other side of that stitched fabric softener sheet that I dyed. And another image. I just love these. That just flips open, creates some more writing space. A little bit of red floss there. Little pocket. This is just a coffee dyed piece of paper that I folded into a kind of an envelope shape. Another fold out there. lots of space to add journaling or art. This is the center of the third signature. Yes. So it's just a hand-dyed lace that I've sewn into the middle there. So some more fabric and thread. Little drop down there. And the back page is a belly band, and in the belly band I've put just a little accordion booklet, and that just slides in there, or you can take it out and use it elsewhere. And there's a double pocket on the back cover. This is a piece of vellum. Yeah, so that's the journal, and it is available at my Etsy shop. If you're interested, you can go have a look there. And I thank you very much for watching. And I'm sure I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.